Audio Jungle.
Hi everyone, I'm hello ladies and gentlemen. If you are looking for a new biggest project in the world of cryptocurrency, so welcome to Faith Protocol guys. This is a massive project. You should not miss this out and you have to must join this. You have to also invite your family and friends at this awesome platform. So guys, Faith pre-sale is now launched, is live now. You have to join our innovative web3 ecosystem that's built on our proprietary blockchain. So get started right now. You have to join this revolutionary project guys. Before their further review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe on Crypto Victoria and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know, Victoria always come with an interesting and new platform for all of my viewers, for my audience. So here is welcome to Faith Protocol, guys. Here you have to join this, guys. I will tell you here a brief review about Faith Protocol, about their metaverse, Metaland, how you have to connect your wallet, how you can buy this token, and I will explain you each and everything about Faith Protocol. So you have to don't skip any part of the video. And I have placed all of the official links of Faith Protocol in my video description. So I have to say something more that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. So this is the digital identity solution for MetaCard, guys. There is you can transform your networking with MetaCard, a Web3 virtual identity solution. And guys, you can also share your contact detail and soda social media links with very easily by this. And you can also update your information instantly to keep connections current. So you have to create this card right now. Here you can see this is the legendary virtual card where you can create this. This is your ID and you have to just create this, guys. This is the Fate Metaverse. This is a new dimension, your ultimate metaverse experience. The Faith Metaverse offers limitless possibilities in the fusion of digital, physical realities, allow creating commerce and global community. So you have to just this is also belongs to AI, guys. Faith artificial intelligence, because made Faith AI your friendly digital assist that's designed to make your life very easier. And guys, we have you have to just you can do your simply task, you can get personalized recommendations, and you can enjoy smoother experience online. So you have to just say goodbye to all of the process of tedious process, and you have to hello to the effortless efficiencies. Whether it is organize your schedule, helping you to find what you need faster, and it also help you to being there always to chat with you guys. So you have to join now, right? This is the Faith Meta Educations. Also, you can join Web3 career evolutions for you guys. There is a Meta Jobs also, and we have to assess those of the diverse people for talent and opportunities. You can revolutionize your hiring and career advancement in virtual environment. You have to join now, guys. And guys, these are the NFTs about Faith, and you can explore our vibrant ecosystem of digital assets on our NFTs. Here you can see our beautiful NFTs. So you can also buy and sell, and you can also trade exclusively at these collections. And you have to showcase your creativity, and you can own your piece of digital. So guys, here you can create your NFTs. You can create this, and this is the guys our Meta office where you can break your all of the Meta e-commerce, and these are the Faith coin also, guys. So you have to join this. AI trading boot is available, and that's maximize your trading potential with Faith boot. This is the Faith card which you can crypto payment solutions for you. You can you secure your almost all of the your transactions. It will make be convenience for both of us, and both of the credit card and debit card is available on Faith card. You can enjoy your seamless transaction globally with all over versatile cards, guys. And this is the guys you can swap here your Faith decks, your all of the this is the metaverse gaming. We have to also introduce with you guys, and this we have revolutionized your digital assets with our multiple features. We have to do listing on our famous exchange decks, and we have to create our launch pad tracking system and decentralized fan. Here is, so this is the gateway to get your decentralized. Here you can ask our all of the questions, guys. These are our Telegram community, our Instagram, our Facebook account, where you have to follow us and you have to must join this, guys. This is our Telegram community which you have to join. Here you get updations about our project, our latest news. And guys, this is the all of the faith protocol multi-utility ecosystem. These are the, here is a complete PDF about faith protocol, what you can do here. As I tell you, we you can get their meta education. This is about meta meet faith gaming. We have to describe faith violet NFTs, metaverse, e-commerce. As I tell you each and everything, here is available a meta game for you. You can create your meta card. And guys, a limited period offer for any meta human, so you have to register now for the faith meta. How you have to register? Here you have to register now, and then you can get 100 USDT faith benefits for registration as doing here. So you have to, don't skip, you have to join right now, guys. And guys, here is the our token details. Here you can check out our seed round pre-sale is now live. There is a public sale also, airdrop. We have to do marketing, and we have to also do a lot of things. So guys, here is fair pre-sale seed round is now live. This is a public sale. Here you can check out our total current price and our total tokens. Here is a referral program also, guys. If you use my referral link, and you can earn a lot of profit here. So you have to join this, guys. You have to earn a lot of profit by joining a referral system. And guys, this is our total about faith tokens. And guys, we are on the basically BIP20 currency, and this our token name is faith token and the abbreviation is faith. This is our contract address which you have to copy when you are buying. And we are on the Binance Smart Chain like BIP20. And their pre-sale is about start seed round is first price is 0.33 USDT, and public round we have to take 0.66 USDT, and total is 7.3 millions. So you have to join now right here. As I tell you, you can get 10% USDT on your referral income. So you have to create this and join right now. Faith royalty is also for the limited members who get royalty benefits as there, and get 5% of the token of smart chains. And guys, we have also supported all Web3 decentralized wallet like Faith Wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Token Rocket, SafePol, and Meta Wallet, Math Wallet, Binance. And guys, what is the mission of 2025? Here you can check out, so you can read this. And we guys, you can also trade at Faith Token, because this is an exchange for wallets, P2P, and all of the transactions. And guys, this is a roadmap of our exclusive project. Guys, we have to do also airdrop opportunities. Here you can get unlock your bounties, exciting bonuses, and exclusive rewards. This is our collaboration opportunities where we have to do with all of you. So thank you for this being here, guys. This is our white paper. Here you can read out all our information. This is available here, guys. This is our Twitter official account which you have to follow. This playback for the Web3 ultimate glow up. We have to, guys, empowering the Web3 future with blockchains, metaverse, and gamified learning. So you here you have to create the revolutions with faith protocol. You have to join this revolution. And guys, this is our Instagram account. You have to must join this, because here you can get all of the our updations about faith protocol. So you have to join right now, and our pre-sale is live now. You have to participate here. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.